Okay, we have a setup here in the Euro USD, and we've got a downtrend here. It's come up against a level of support, which if we scan out a bit, we'll see happened. Well, we had a bottom occur as the first pullback in this large uptrend here that has leveled off, and now we have the move down in price as it's starting to test this level of support one more time. So given that this is only the second time the support level has been tested, we've got the channel line set, and it seems to be starting to just conform to the channel lines. We've also got this bottoming kind of price action here with long shadows on the candles. So we're going to just do an uptrend here, about a 15-minute trade on the assumption that price is going to correct back off support and head back up to the moving average, if not up to the top end of the channel line as well. So this is this is a 5-minute chart, so we're 5, 10, 15, 20. We'll give it, say, 30 minutes on the trade for the trade we've got in mind to play out, and we'll see how it goes. So let's go over to Markets World, and got the Euro USD set up here. So let's see, time is currently 9:43, so 9:45. 9:43, so we'll look at, say, 10, 15, 10, we don't really have 10, 15, 11 o'clock, that's a bit too long. So for want of anything closer to that, we'll set the trade for 10:15, and so that's on. Okay, so that trade is on, and we'll just stop the video here, pause the video, and we'll come back and finish off in about 2 or 3 minutes before 10 past 9. 10 past 10, and we'll see how the trade has worked out. Okay, here we are in the final 3.5 minutes of the trade, and looks like after we put the trade on, in the following 5-minute candle, price spiked up, and maybe we should have expected that, seeing the previous pullback to the moving average was a big spike up. So it's not surprising that happened here again too, the second time. We had this basic behavior of price. So possibly the trade duration of 30 minutes or 25 minutes was a little too long, but still I think we're in pretty good shape, and the basic analysis of the trade, I think it was right. No longer than 25 minutes though. As we can see from these last two candles, there have been spikes down, but then it's pulling back up to the moving average, and it looks like it wants to settle around there. I think if price was going to proceed downwards, we would have had the big spike down that we had in the previous cycle upwards to the moving average. But we've got, let's see, well, there's still quite a bit of distance between our strike price and where price currently is. There is 1:25 to go. So I think we're going to be fine as far as price. Just want to point out too, it's very interesting to look at the tick chart as well, as it differs from the analysis that you're able to make by looking at candles. Is very different to what you're able to determine looking at the actual tick chart. You're able to see the peaks, the lower highs, the lower lows when the lows start to level off as the lower highs still come down. It's just very interesting information. You can get a sense of the market. It's a very different sense of the market. But in any case, looks like this trade is coming to an end. Got 17 seconds to go, 16 seconds to go, and still in good shape. We've got price coming down a little bit, but as we mentioned, it seems to be wanting to hover up around the moving average. So as far as this trade is concerned, that'll be fine. That'll end up as a win. There it goes. So just wanted to go over that with you. I prefer the 15 minutes to 30 minutes to 45 minutes time frame. Just gives you a lot more choices with the 60-second trades and the 2, 3, 5 minute trades. That you can get some easy wins there, but it's also easy to get loose and have losses as well. With the longer time frame, you're kind of forced to think things through more and do more intense analysis, so that you can, and all of that just results in you making better trades. So that's it. This is Hank from Binary Options Profit Hack. I hope this was useful for you, and we'll see you on the next video.